In this video, I am going to show you how to use Clipchamp Text-to-Speech. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Now without further ado, let's go ahead and open up your browser. Then type Clipchamp Text-to-Speech. After that, just click on the first link, as you can see. Then click on Try AI Text-to-Speech. After you click on it, you should register with Microsoft or with your Google Chrome account or Gmail account. So now click on Continue with Microsoft. Now just wait a couple of moments, enter your details, and you should be all good to go. And from here, click on Text-to-Speech. After you do that, just give it a moment for it to load. And now scroll down and click on Create Text-to-Speech. From here, you can type the text-to-speech here and change the language at the top, plus you can change the voices as well. So now when you type it, just click on Save. And now the text-to-speech has turned into an audio. So this was an easy and quick process video. I hope this video was helpful. As always, thank you for watching.